In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to see Spotify Rapid on your iPhone if it's not showing. So for most of the users, as you can see, if they go to the Rapid, they get to this entire kind of thing. So if you tap on it, that's going to come in most users. But if it's not happening for you guys, then how we can fix it? So the first and foremost step is all about what you need to do is you have to go over here and try updating your Spotify app if any kind of update is there. So to do so, go over here in the App Store. Once you get into the App Store, you have to go over here at the bottom. Now just search here for Spotify, and what you need to do is you just need to search for Spotify here. And if you have any kind of an update here, like I said, if you're having any update, just update your phone from here. After updating, you have to check with it. That is the first step. Next one is after updating, you can just go back directly to the Spotify over here, and right now go to the home over here and check whether any kind of banner is appearing here. If the banner is not there, you don't have to worry. We have to use an alternative way to fix this. So what you need to do is you have to go over here in the search, and you have to search here for the rap in order to make it categorize it for you guys. So just type here for rap. So as you can see, you'll be getting Rapid 2025. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to just go over here and check whether it's popping up or not, but most probably it will not be there. If that is the case, just cancel it. Try going to your library over here, and you have to check for the playlist. Sometimes along with the playlist here, you'll be having Rapid 2025. But if that's not the case, you don't have to do anything. Just check for it if that is the case. And still, after trying all this, if it's not working, you can try one more thing. That is all about, you have to go over here, tap on the profile, and try signing out from here. We can just sign out from your Spotify. Then what you need to do is you have to check it back after signing in, whether you can check it back whether it's able to show up. Most probably to be showing. And also parallelly, we have to cross check few things. That if you have any kind of VPN, go to the settings, and if you have any kind of VPN connected, what happens is the Spotify might think you're in any other location where the feature is not available, so it not be available there for your phone. So make sure that you turn off the VPN over here as well. And also the parallelly, you can just go over here on your Safari, and also you can search here for this. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here and go to the Google, and from here you just need to go over here, search for Spotify Rapid. You can just search here for Spotify Rapid, because sometimes like I said, even it can help you guys. Just search here for Spotify Rapid. Now from here, tap on this, and that might even also take you to this, so you can just check with it. So over here it says open the app, so I have to go over here and open my app. So right now, as you can see, it is popping up. If it's not sure, most probably trying all these kind of things will work for you in most cases. And this is what you have to do. As you can see, it will be giving you all kind of details of what you have gone through and how much time you have spent here, and all these kind of things on the Spotify, your favorite artists and all those things. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.